exercising when the muscles are sore,
Mhm.
what would be a good thing?
Is it just normal soreness, or is it like you feel excessively sore or
Just normal,
normal?
like the calves and the back. Because I'm trying to start exercising a little bit more just to help dissipate.
Yeah, so you could do a couple of things. Like one is like sometimes what I've had athletes use is celery. Celery helps to kind of flush some of the lactic acid out of the tissues. You could take it internally or you could use it topically. That is a potential. Um, I would probably do like that blue healer like body tonic, just like shake it up really good, and as soon as you're done exercising, like if you're able to take a shower, like shower and then put it on, and if not, just slap it on right after you're done exercising or as soon as you can rest, like when it will reduce inflammation, stimulate some of the movement of the inflammatory out of the area, and helps like deal with some of the inflammatory material and like the white blood cells and things like that. And so that should get it. The other one is the thing that I used to use on cyclists when they were like racing every day, was that I would use the pain relief psychogenic, which is, it's tied to like when stress aggravates pain and things like that, but it's very anti-inflammatory and it's kind of soothing to the emotional body. And even with exercise, sometimes that can be a little bit of an issue. Like I used it for them because they were performing, like they were performing and they were like being measured on what they were doing, so there was like a high level of stress of what they were doing. So the psychogenic pain relief blend fit really well. But when I would put it on with massage oil, and most times they were racing like 6, 7 to maybe 10 days. At the end of the 10 days, they would say that they feel tired, but their body felt better than when they started the race, which is like unheard of. Like that is just like you come out of something like that and it feels like somebody beat you with a baseball bat. And they were like, yeah, it's kind of weird. I feel better than normal. I just feel tired. Right. And so, and then if I didn't have that, I used milfoil, which was a type of it's a type of yarrow. So still anti-inflammatory, still helps with the stress response. Still has a little bit of a diaphoretic effect to help to purify the body a bit. That works really well. Yeah. All things would be good choices. Yeah.
Thank you.
Do you want me to just pick one for you, or?
Yes.
Okay. I can I can feel that in your head. Like, one. Once you do the milfoil, I think that's nice. It's simple, it's easy, it's not messy. You could take a salt bath in it. You could put it on, like, say, if you're doing it before like work or right out of work, you could put it on like right there, like, just put a couple drops on the wrist and do that. And you could even just put a couple drops in your hand and rub it on like a sore spot and call it good.
So put it on neat.
You could put it on neat. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks.
Yeah.